Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 1, Day 04 Notes. Write 25 verbs and make sentences using each verb. Example. Verb, play. Sentence, I play football. List of verbs with sentences. Run, I run fast every morning. Jump, she jumps over the puddle. Swim, they swim in the lake during summer. Write, he writes a letter to his friend. Read, I read a book before sleeping. Cook, my mother cooks delicious meals. Dance, they dance at the party. Sing, he sings beautifully on stage. Laugh, the kids laugh at the funny joke. Eat, I eat healthy food every day. Drink, he drinks water after exercising. Walk, we walk to school. Speak, she speaks English fluently. Teach, the teacher teaches us math. Learn, I learn new things every day. Watch, they watch Kids Madani channel on weekends. Listen, he listens to music while studying. Sleep, I sleep early at night. Think, she thinks about her future plans. Drive, he drives his car to work. Help, they help their neighbors in need. Draw, I draw a picture of a sunset. Buy, she buys groceries from the market. Clean, we clean our house every Sunday. Talk, they talk to their friends on the phone. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.